Neguin is one of the participants of season 17 of NBC's reality show America's Got Talent 2022. He has been traveling the world to seek and strengthen his artistic talents. He performed in the renowned street dance theater production Blaze while dancing on Madonna's MDNA tour. His brothers danced their club style, the flashbacks, and his sister was the one who initially introduced him to capoeira. Neguin grew up in an environment where he understood how his work could be used to fight prejudice, raise awareness, and promote a healthy living. Neguin is a Brazilian world champion and Red Bull BC1 All-Star, notable for his capoeira-infused breaking skills and gravity-defying flips. Neguin bases everything he does on his holistic way of living. He enjoys experimenting with music and the training process. Neguin has won numerous awards and competitions, and one of his most notable victories was the Red Bull BC1 World Finals, which he won in 2010 in Tokyo, Japan. He was born in Cascavel, Brazil, where dancing is a part of life, and is a member of the Tsunami All-Stars, Super CR3W, and Red Bull BC1 All-Stars. His family has always been an artistic inspiration to him, but their dancing style was passinho. But what impressed him the most were the tunes they were listening to at the time. They listened to flashbacks and vintage tunes while also listening to techno and electronic music. He currently resides in New York and considers himself a hip-hop cultural and art messenger. His interest in moving his body in dynamic ways began when he was 3 years old with capoeira. He then started breaking in 2000 at the age of 13 after falling in love with hip-hop culture after seeing VHS tapes of major breaking events such as the B-Boy Summit in the United States and Battle of the Year. He grew up listening to electronic music, and even when he began practicing breakdance, he attended rave parties. Thus, electronic music was always there in his technique. Neguin's breaking style is an unexpected, high-energy fusion of aerial moves, lightning quick movements, precise application of his extensive toolkit, and variations in breaking ground and power moves.